tall, long. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. Tall. Tall is an adjective and it refers to the height of something. So this is the vertical length of something that's usually standing and is above average. So it's described as being tall. This can be a person, an animal, or things like buildings, trees, houses, etc. For example, he is very tall. Another example is, the Shard is a tall building in London. Notice from these examples that tall describes the height of something that touches the ground. Long. Long is an adjective and it refers to the horizontal length of something. So if we measure something between its two furthest points. For example, the ruler is long. Long can also be used to describe physical features like hair, arms, legs, nose, etc., or the length of time or distance. For example, she has long hair. The lecture was long and boring. So here I'm saying that the lecture lasted for a long period of time. The antonym of both words is short. This often confuses students. However, short can refer to both the vertical and the horizontal length of something. So I can say that the man is short and the ruler is short.